1, 2, 3, shoot. Oh, you won. You go first.
Oh, man. Okay. Well, I also wanted to say thank you to everyone for coming, and I just hope everybody has a good time.
How about that? Bring it on back. Look where we at. How about
Alex, do you take Yesenia to be your lawful wedded wife?
I do.
Yesenia, do you take Alex to be your lawful wedded husband?
I do.
I say love, I'll be your lullaby. And I say love, I'll be your lullaby. And I sing love, so baby you can close your eyes.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and devotion.
and devotion.
Wear it daily with joy.
Wear it daily with joy.
Yesenia, would you take Alex's ring, place it on his finger, and repeat after me?
Oh, shit.
Almost dropped it.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love and devotion.
as a symbol of my love and devotion.
Wear it daily with joy.
Wear it daily with joy.
It is my great honor and my privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Shoot him in motion. See, you look beautiful.
You look amazing.